How to fix Snapchat timeout warning. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Snapchat's timeout warning. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is head over to your App Store. On your App Store, tap on the search bar and search for Snapchat. After you search for Snapchat, open Snapchat app, and if you see an update button instead of an open button, tap on update to update the app to the latest version. After you do that, head back, open up your Snapchat. After you open up your Snapchat, tap on your Bitmoji on the top left. Then tap on the settings icon on the top right corner. Now you can scroll down, and after you scroll down, you will see privacy control section, and there you will see on the top clear data. Tap on clear data, and after you do that, you will see an option on the bottom that says clear cache. Tap on clear cache and clear your cache. After you clear up your cache, you can then head back to your settings, and on your settings, search for general. After you find general, tap on it and then head over to iPhone storage. Now search for Snapchat. So let's search for Snapchat. Head back, there we go. Now tap on the offload app button and offload the app completely. After you offload your app, reinstall the app and your problem should get fixed. And that's how you fix Snapchat timeout warning, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.